Good morning everyone. Myself Atharva Itape from grade 8. I am from Real Academy Karjat. I have come up with my project as waste management system. So I would first like to say that what is waste management? So waste management is a process that involves managing waste from cradle to grave. So I would like to first introduce the roller system. So the waste coming from these restaurants, KFC, Domino's, there are many other Pizza Hut. The waste coming from it it goes to the dry waste and through the roller it is transferred into this container. This is the dry waste. This dry waste is then sent to the crusher. This dry waste is sent to the crusher where the dry waste is in the crusher is crushed and small particles are made. Then this dry waste is sent to the factory to melt it and many other new substances can be made from it. We can reuse it. And also the wet waste from this, is collected here and then it is sent to the ground. To dump it is dumped in ground and it can also be used as fertilizers. So next I have seen one problem in the society that there are so many dustbin in near the society, schools, offices, nagarpalikas. So what is I have seen that people are citizens throwing the waste in the dustbin and going. So dustbin is getting full up, and there actually after some days it is the area is converted into dump site only. So I have put their IR sensors on the dustbin so that when the dustbin will be full, the message will go to the Nagarpalika. Suppose this is the waste, or suppose this is the waste. When the dustbin is full, see, when the dustbin is full, the message is sent to the Nagarpalika that first dustbin is full. See, here also on the mobile notification is coming that first dustbin is full, and they should go there. Or if they fail to go there, that then the citizens can complain to the government that Nagarpalika is not coming there to take up the waste. So I have done this to reduce the waste on the roadsides or any other society. And lastly, I would like to say that this sensor system and this roller system should be there in our society. So thank you.